Thank you for choosing Phillips Chevrolet.
We proudly present this excellent 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This certified Avalanche 1500 is backed by GM's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain limited warranty. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is powered by a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and has 4-wheel drive. This vehicle only has 15,703 miles, and gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and an estimated 15 in the city. Some of this vehicle's electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. For your comfort and convenience, this vehicle has a voice-activating system, and secondary ventilation controls for the passenger's seat. And for your safety and security, this vehicle has also been equipped with multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. In order to pass GM's certification process, this vehicle needed to pass a rigorous 117-point inspection and reconditioning process, to ensure that you can drive away with no worries.
Phillips Chevrolet is located at 33 West Lincoln Highway, between Route 30 and 45 in Frankfort, Illinois.